What's up there YouTube and welcome to my channel UATech, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make your channel art. Now for this video we will be needing an app called Thumbnail Maker. So go ahead, go into your Play Store and search for Thumbnail Maker. It's going to be the second one from the top, rated 5 stars. It's an awesome app, and as you can see it has 4.5 stars. So go ahead and open it right after installing it and create thumbnail. Now I know it says thumbnail and all, but as you can see we have many more different types of backgrounds and ratio sizes. We have for Instagram, with Twitter, YouTube. So I don't really need Twitter and YouTube and Twitch and all. We're just going to be using YouTube, and we're going to be in this video be creating a tablet display for the YouTube cover, or you can also use the cover. Depends on the size of what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and select tablet display. As you can see we have many backgrounds here, so I'm going to go ahead and select the background which I want. I'm going to go ahead and select a nice background, which is this one, and of course it's going to go ahead and load. So select to wherever you want the background. I think this is pretty much good right here. Click on the tick mark to wherever you want it, and there we go. This is what we have so far. And so these are the different tabs here on the bottom. As you can see we have text, sticker, image, effect, and background. So we don't really need to change any background right now. So go ahead and select on effects. Select whatever effect you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a nice effect that looks like a tech one. So let's just go ahead and select one. I personally think the stars look nice. Go ahead and select an image, whichever you want. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the gallery for my image, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my downloads folder right here and select this one. Go ahead and resize the image to whatever you want. Alright, there we go. So select the tick mark if you are happy with your image. So I'm going to go ahead and put some text in here to add. Alright, put it to wherever you want. We're going to change the font to whatever you want. As you can see we have many fonts here, so I'm going to go ahead and select a nice one. Let's just select this one right here. Actually, you know what, so this is like something related to tech, so I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Alright, so that's a nice one. Now there's also color, so I'm going to go ahead and change the color to like that. You can change the opacity, the shadow, the outline. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the outline size and add an outline right there. Alright, so you can see that the outline is changing, the size of the outline. So I think this is pretty much cool. The size is pretty much good. Alright, so after you're done, go ahead and resize it to whatever you want. I think this is pretty much good. I'm going to put this a bit right here, put the tech right there, and I'm going to go ahead and add a sticker. So as you can see we have many stickers, transparent bubbles, and so on and so forth. We have cars, subscribe. So I'm going to go ahead and select subscribe. I'm going to put it down here, right here, which is pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and resize it before putting it down there. So there we go, it's resized, and we'll put it right there. And then go ahead and add another sticker. I'm going to go ahead and select a technology one, so we can put this PlayStation controller. I'm going to put it right there. Make it smaller, and there we go. Add another sticker. I think we'll go ahead and choose probably we have the phone right here, and resize the phone to whatever you want. Put the phone, I'm thinking the corner. Alright, so that's pretty much good. The stickers, Alright, so you want to make it look very, very nice. So add as many things as you can to make it really cool looking. So I'm going to go ahead and change the drone right here and put it right here to where we want it. Just go ahead and put the URL right above the drone, and to do that all you need to do is go ahead and select the text. So as you can see, I have the drone selected and it's above the text, and if you don't want that, just select the text and then the drone will be below it. Alright, so go ahead and select the drone, and then I'm going to put it back in the corner, select the URL, put it back to where it belongs, and I'm going to actually add an image. Alright, so let's go ahead and add an image right here. This is good enough. Go ahead and resize the image to whatever you want. I think this is pretty much cool. Alright, go ahead and select it and put it to wherever you want. I think I'm going to go ahead and resize it and put it probably right there is good enough. Put the URL above it. So after you're done, you can go ahead and download your thumbnail, your picture, and you can view the thumbnail. And the reason there are ads is because the app is free. And now once you're done, you can go ahead, go into your gallery, and there's going to be a folder made automatically called thumbnail design. So go ahead, go into your thumbnail design, and there you go, you have your cover. As you can see, we have UA with everything, the PlayStation controller and everything. I have made many more. For example, this one, which is pretty much the same but a little simpler. We have this one, which is also pretty cool. Of course, it has stickers and all. So that's pretty much it for this video.
Now I hope this video was helpful for you on how to make your channel art. So make sure you guys comment down below if it was, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications for the next video, and also subscribe to my second channel, which will be UA World. Link will be in the description, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.